Welcome guys, it's Ryan from Modular Racks. We got some exciting news. We have partnered up with the good people at TrailRax, and they just developed a brand new rack for the Ford Bronco. So we figured we needed a guinea pig, so we enlisted our friend Shaun. The story till now.
You're just using me?
Well, you know, I gotta use somebody, might as well be you.
I accept.
So we've got his Bronco here, we've got it in the shop. We have the TrailRax rack here. We have not even opened this thing yet, haven't installed one. So this is basically gonna be our unboxing and install video. Super excited. This is a really cool looking rack. There's not a lot of options for the Bronco, so I think you guys are gonna wanna see what this looks like when we're done. So let's get at it. Well, one caveat, I guess you'll say, is this rack has the Pak Rax that goes on the side back windows. Normally that ships on its own, so if you're purchasing this, you are going to not get it in one box if you're getting the Pak Rax. So you'll get the rack in one box and you'll get the Pak Rax in the center. This one here, they did a special favor for us to save on some shipping costs, and we put it all in one box. So just so you're aware, when you get yours, you're likely going to have two boxes if you get the side windows.
The TrailRax system is rated for 250 pounds dynamic weight, 850 pounds static, plenty of room for all of your things. The rack is made of aluminum, which makes it rust-proof, great for the Pacific Northwest. In addition, it's lightweight, which means your roof load rating goes further. The rack goes on with a pretty simple bolt-on installation. You can do most of it on your own. These foam pieces we're installing come with the rack to protect the vehicle's paint. If you've also got the side-mounted Pak Rax, this is where you'll need another set of hands. The front freedom panels come off, so you can take the entire back of the Bronco off to mount the rail that is required for the Pak Rax mount. The crossbars go together with 2 screws on each side. There's more padding for the wind fairing. The front of the system mounts into the Bronco accessory points, meaning the entire install requires no drilling. The Pak Rax simply install into the track and provided mount points on the rack. They come with accessory plates for mounting Rotopax, shovels, or other accessories.
All right, there it is. We have the TrailRax Bronco rack installed. And I gotta say, this thing looks really good. So we've got the storage on the sides. We're gonna put a few more accessories on this thing. We'll put some Rotopax on here. We're gonna get Shaun's awning on here. We're gonna get the tent back up. But I just wanted to show off this thing of beauty before we put a bunch of things on it that are hiding it. Install wasn't too bad. You guys should have the instructions for that now from us. If you have any questions about the TrailRax or the install, please make comment below. Okay, so we got a full day in here and we finally got the TrailRax on to Shaun's Bronco here, and I gotta say, I really like it. It is a really nice looking rack, really versatile too. We've got a bunch of stuff on there. I can show you on the other side if you come take a look. We managed to not only get Shaun's tent on here, but we mounted his awning that was on the other one, and we got some Rotopax on the sides, and we plan to hopefully get some shovels, axes, and other gear on the window on the other side. And those window brackets are called Pak Rax. They're available for other vehicles as well. Yeah, so if you got any questions about this, please let us know in the comments. Give us a call, drop us an email, and hit that like button, because next time that we're reviewing a product or getting a new product like this, you'll get notified. Thanks for joining us. It's Ryan, Modular Racks, and Shaun.
And Shaun, and don't just hit the like button, smash it!
Smash it!